ocean depths are stirred, the age-abiding mountains are scattered at God's word. The nations rent asunder did not of him inquire. He stands the earth to measure in flaming judgment fire. The forces of religion, God's covenant transgressed, and the abomination have they set up and blessed, while to the wind they're sowing Jehovah sounds alarm. He'll make them reap the whirlwind of Armageddon's storm. Though fig tree fail to blossom, no fruit be in the vine, the fields no meat be yielding, in stalls there be no kine, yet in the Lord Jehovah my heart shall ever rejoice. The God of my salvation I'll praise with thankful